How to avoid a capital loss during the financial crisis. What are the perspectives for the stock market growth next month?
We are virtual assistants from the company Investudio. We demonstrate growth and profitability ratings of American companies. Let's see how they have changed over the past week.
As usual, let's start with an overview of the S&P 500 index. It includes 11 sectors, which are divided by 64 industries. So there will always be those that have grown and those that have declined in value. Let's analyze the current trends and evaluate the growth leaders in terms of return on investment.
Over the past 3 months, the S&P 500 index has grown by 2.8%. However, utilities and communication services sectors have performed better. They grew by 19.6% and 8.2% respectively.
Among the industries, the best performers over the period were independent power and renewable electricity producers and electric utilities. They grew by 57% and 19% respectively.
Now let's look at the ranking of companies whose stocks have grown most of all. So over the past 3 months, the growth leaders have been Vistra, First Solar, and Moderna. Their stocks have risen by 81%, 71%, and 49% respectively.
The data in the quarterly reports indicate that in the current state of business, an investments at Vistra will pay off in 16 years, First Solar in 15 years, and Moderna in 100. Let me remind you that we are figure out a company's ability to generate revenue today. Everything may change in the future. And finally, we would like to remind you that the information you have just listened to is not an investment advisory. After the material was published, the market situation could have changed significantly. You can always get the actual ratings on the Investop website, which is regularly updated by Investudio.
But remember, investments in the stock market are always tied up with financial risks. So be careful and cautious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next week.